BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for this is next week, Monday, is Bit Digital stock a buy. This is going to be kind of talked about in this brief and short 1 minute video. And myself, I mean, having done 43,000 videos, I've seen what's printing and what's not. I mean, mainly having done 43,000 videos, it's a lot of reps and it's taken me 5 years. And mainly I've documented it all, you know, it's all on my YouTube channel. Yeah, this was... From the get-go here, I was willing to take the highs out. We finally delivered today. And I'm looking to double down on this, you know what I mean? Like, I never got the rules met, unfortunately, even here. And that's fair, that is going to happen. Nothing unusual. But if I sort of see the price pulling down a bit and giving me a double break confirmation, I'm still willing to double down on that and buy more. So all I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money-making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description. And there's really nothing else that I'll be adding. You have the free source below.